Kiambu Principal Magistrate Brian Khaemba has been transferred to the Thika Law Courts effective the 1st of July 2019. Khaemba issued final orders extending Kiambu Governor Ferdinand Waititu's anticipatory bail by 2 weeks. However, all other orders from the previous ruling remained, including the governor presenting himself to the EACC offices on a voluntary basis. Here's NTV's Mel Miendo.
Early Thursday morning, Kiambu Governor Ferdinand Waititu was at the Kiambu Law Courts together with his lawyers for an inter-parties hearing before Principal Magistrate Brian Khaemba. Waititu, said to have quietly walked in and out of the courts, had applied for a review on the anticipatory bail ruling granted to him. The same was extended by Khaemba for a further 2 weeks.
A case to answer is a case where...
This, however, would be the last ruling made by Principal Magistrate Brian Khaemba in Kiambu, as he has now been transferred to Thika Law Courts. The Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission had put the spotlight on him for issuing anticipatory bail orders for the governor on a day when he was off duty for being sick. EACC thereafter formally complained to the Judicial Service Commission. It may have led to the transfer orders. Khaemba, who has never shied away from controversy, seemed to have maintained leniency with the governor on the extension of the anticipatory bail orders. Nonetheless, Waititu is expected to regularly present himself at the EACC headquarters voluntarily for interrogation. On Tuesday, he was grilled by detectives for close to 6 hours together with his daughter Monica Njeri, said to be key in handling family transactions. EACC filed its response before Khaemba with documentation of tenders from Kiambu County, certificates from KRA, among other documents. Detectives were keen on checking the ownership of Waititu's properties and supposed investments. EACC in its application denied any form of malice in arresting and raiding the governor's houses, contrary to Waititu's claims of a vendetta against him politically instigated by the commission.
I'll come when they call me. I'm ready to go. Even if they tell me to come tomorrow, I'll just come. No problem.
The only advice that I can give them is that they should be accountable and will desist from raiding them. But as long as we get information and we have some sort of evidence that they are doing something fishy, we'll run for them.
It will be another 2 weeks for Kiambu Governor Ferdinand Waititu, and then he will be coming back to the Kiambu Law Courts on the 19th of June. However, his case will be mentioned before Kiambu Chief Magistrate Patricia Gishohi. Mel Miendo, NTV, Kiambu Law Courts.